Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about AWS S3 encryption. Data is at the core of business today, and data encryption offers a solid way to make sure that the data stays secure. As one of the most popular storage services on AWS, Amazon S3 has several encryption methods available. Stored in AWS Key Management Service SSE KMS, which is server-side encryption with customer managed key stored in AWS Key Management Services in similar to SSE S3. SSE KMS also provides you with an audit trail that shows when your CMK was used and by whom, but it comes with additional benefits and charges for using these services. There are separate permissions for the use of a CMK that provides added protection against unauthorized access of your object in Amazon S3. The server-side encryption with customer-provided keys, which is SSEC, where you manage the encryption key and Amazon S3 manage the encryption as it writes to disk and decryption when you access your object. Now the other way of S3 encryption, which is client-side encryption, which encrypt your data client-side and upload the encrypted data to Amazon S3. In this case, you manage the encryption process, the encryption key, and related tools. Use a master key you store within your application. Now in this tutorial, I'm also going to create one key and I'll show you how to create that key and use that key to encrypt your data. The question is, cross-region replication with KMS is possible or not? Please answer in the comment section. I have logged into AWS Management Console and here I am going to search key and key management services comes. Now in the key management services, you have three options: AWS Managed Key. The AWS Managed Key will show you all the keys which is created by AWS and managed by AWS with the alias and key IDs and also a status. I'm going to show you how to create a customer managed key. Just click on create key. Now we have 5 steps: configure key, add labels, define key administrative permission, define key usage permission, review and edit key policy. Now in the key type, you can set the key type symmetric or asymmetric. In symmetric, a single encryption key that is used for both encrypt and decrypt, or you can select a symmetric key where a public and private key pair that can be used for encrypt, decrypt or sign verify operation. I'm going to select the symmetric key. You also have an option where you can choose KMS, external or customer key stores. I'm going to use the KMS and I'll go and say next. Now test key. I am going to give the description. This key is to test key management service, which is KMS. In the tag, you can add the tag key. I'll say name my first key. You can click on next. I'm going to give dbw AWS test and another user to manage the key. I'll select next, and here also allow key administrator to delete this key. I'll select yes. Again, define key usage permission. So who all can use the key? I'll select all the users who can actually use the key. Now this is the review and edit key policies, which comes with some coding. You can review this and you can finish the policies. You just click on finish. Now here you have the test key is enabled. Now I'll show you how to use the key to encrypt your object. Now I am into the Amazon S3 and I'll click on the same bucket which I have created just now. I'll go to upload and I'm going to upload the image. Now this image is selected. I'll click on next to set the permission. I'll keep the permission as it is and I'll click on set properties. Now here storage class, I'll keep it as a standard and you have an option of encryption. You can select Amazon S3 master key and Amazon KMS master key. Now I have created a KMS master key with the name of test key. I am going to select the test key. Selected and I'll say yes and upload it. Now this object is getting uploaded now. One is in progress, 100% successful, one successful. Now this object is managed server-side encryption AWS KMS. Now earlier it was none. So now this object is encrypted with the key which we have created. So this is all about the AWS S3 encryption. Thank you.